Welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off sticky notice background apps in Windows 10 PC laptop. So guys, when to turn off sticky notice background apps in Windows 10 PC laptop, so very easy. First click on start, type here settings, click on settings. After click on privacy, scroll down, click on background apps, scroll down, and here option sticky notice. So guys, if you want to disable or turn off, so slash to off position. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn off sticky notice background apps in Windows 10 PC laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. And please comment this video workful or not. Thank you for watching this video.